Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm at this vending machine which have a lot of Matchbox, some Hot Wheels, the Aston Martin, a convertible Beetle, new casting, the field car, the Interceptor, Citroen Army, Jeep Renegade, Ford Bronco. Now you can see the color of the card is faded because exposed a long time. Ford Ranchero, Renault Kangoo Express, Cadillac Series 62 convertible, Renault Kangoo in orange is very nice. Then we have the garbage truck, Hot Wheels, Camaro convertible, Opel Kadett. I prefer the wheels on the cart. The wheels on the actual is too modern. Ford Bronco Sports, Citroen, no, this is Fiat Topolino. I thought it's a Citroen Army, but no. Hot Wheels, Fantasy Casting, Nissan Terrano or Pathfinder, Ford Custom, another Nissan, Ford Bronco, Jeep Wagoner, Ford Fiesta, another Nissan, the white BMW, this Ford C900. Okay, at the side we have some Tesla, which is more expensive. Then we have premium Hot Wheels. This is very nice, the Honda Monkey. A lot of motorbikes and monster truck and Tesla. The Fast and Furious monster truck. Opening parts, Buick Riviera, Range Rover in Castrol livery is very nice. So let me get my money because I'm going to buy two red cars, number 26 and number 25. Is the Ford Fiesta, and I want to buy the Nissan, but I choose the one at the bottom so it doesn't fall that from a height. So I need both hands to pick up the car. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.